Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. It's a travel vlog this time. It's just us for the trip and has been so long since we went somewhere like that. Many of you had mentioned earlier that we don't have to go for any trips to any resorts for a stay. We have a home with a beautiful view outside and a lovely lawn to sit and relax. Yes, we agree, but it's not the same feeling every time. We definitely needed a break and a change. I had posted few photos on my Instagram and had already mentioned in the stories that we are leaving to Ooty. Ooty is a hill station and it's definitely gonna be cold. And I remember once it was freezing at this time of the year when I had gone for a trip with my family around 5-6 years ago. I googled and it showed 16 degrees, so had to pack our winter wears. We are on a 2-day trip, so I packed mine and kids accordingly. My husband does for him by himself, so I don't have to worry about that. I normally pack each set of dress with all the necessities to be worn on each day. This way it's easy as nothing would be left out. Even though it's a 2-day trip, it's always better to pack extra. For me, I pack an extra set of dress, and for kids it would be 2 extras. All these were done the night before travel. The dress to be worn on the day of travel was kept separate to avoid the hurry-burry in the morning. Many of you had commented that Myntra was the best for purchasing kurtis, and thanks to who all suggested, I bought 4 kurtis from Myntra and everything is in the best quality and perfect size. I shall link below all the kurtis I bought from Myntra. On the way, we got into a nearby restaurant to have breakfast. Ooty is in the state of Tamil Nadu, so on the way there were some people who had informed us on the e-pass that we need to take before crossing the border. For car it's 100 rupees and bike it's 50 rupees. So if you're someone who doesn't know about this, do make sure you take the e-pass before crossing the border. The travel time to the destination is almost 4.5 hours. But that would take 5 hours at least, as in between we will be stopping for food and other. We wanted a relaxed journey, hence we got out only after getting good sleep. Ooty is one of our favorite spots to go on a trip and relax. The weather is cold, unlike now in Kerala as it's approaching summer here. The best time to visit Ooty is between April to June and September to November, even though Ooty is a year-round destination. The journey to Ooty is very lovely with a mountain pass, not very steep I would say, like the pass we had to cross for Wayanad. Here and there you could see thick forest, some areas with tea plantation and such. Kids were actually feeling a bit tired and bored, so on the way, we tried to keep them entertained by playing their favorite songs, asking them fun questions, and such. We get these sweet corns, steamed or grilled. Either one is very tasty with lemon and chili on it. Ooty is almost a plastic free zone, and I think that is the reason the place looks really neat and tidy. We had enough of the place last time we visited, I guess 3 years back. I don't know if it was because of the rain, the place was really dirty and we didn't want to visit Ooty anymore. But this time, really impressed. We reached Ooty by around 2:30 and got into this restaurant. It's Adyar Anand Bhavan. We had been here a few years back and the food tasted amazing. We bought some sweets to have from the room and left straight to the resort. We are at Accord Highland Hotel. We booked a villa here. The check-in procedure was going on. They served us warm welcome tea. It's a kind of masala tea with spices. Not sure of what all spices are included. I could taste clove in it. The location of this resort is amazing. We were in villa number 2. All the villas had the same structure. On entering, there's a tiny space to sit and a small kitchen or pantry, whatever. Here's the wardrobe to keep your stuff. Here's the bathroom. It's an open ceiling with a window in the bedroom area. Here's kids' room with bunk bed, which actually made them excited. And here's my favorite part, the balcony. I won't say it's the best view, but for me, sitting in a balcony with chilled weather is always refreshing and relaxing. There were slight issues we faced in this room, and that was because the works are still going on. The ceiling windows had curtains which weren't closing, and the morning sunlight would not let us sleep for more time. However, if we request them, they would close it permanently, and we didn't want that too, hence made it remain as such. There's complimentary tea and snacks available from 5 to 6:30 in the evening. So after getting fresh, we went straight to the lawn. It was like a vast playground with a small tea shop. I wanted to try both tea and coffee. First tried tea and later went for coffee and biscuits. Ooty has its famous what we call varki. It's totally different from the ones that we get from bakeries in Kerala. There are lots of activities that you could enjoy here. They have net cricket, badminton, basketball, trampoline. These were the outdoor ones, and swing is my favorite. For indoor games, they have caroms, table tennis, baby football, and lots of other fun games. We normally have early dinner, and we had the same from here too. The weather was getting cold, so I had to put on my poncho. This is store-bought, but I have one knitted and I gifted that to my mom. I think I have a picture of that posted on my Instagram 3 years back. There's bonfire, and I'm not a very big fan of that. It's quite boring for me to just sit around and watch the fire. But here the staff who was in charge of the games and the bonfire kept us entertained with few fun activities. Since there was quite a large number of people, he kept everyone engaged with some really funny games.
Fantastic, sir. Where do you come from, sir? No. When they say clap, now when they say jump.
The bonfire and games ended at 9:30, and we were really tired and sleepy. But I wouldn't get sleep without organizing the wardrobe another. I wouldn't bother to organize if you are here for just one day, but as it's for 2 days, I kept all the stuff in the wardrobe to make it a homely feel. So there I have an organized clean room. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. More coming up in my next vlog. Stay safe everyone. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.